Ladies and gentlemen, prepare to be captivated as we unravel the secrets of 700 Elevate. Get ready to witness the magic of financial transformation. 700 Elevate has empowered over 2,500 individuals and businesses to reclaim their financial freedom. Their unrivaled expertise has turned dreams into reality and success stories into legends. 700 Elevate isn't just your ordinary credit restoration company. They offer a comprehensive suite of services that will leave you awestruck. Picture this: personal and business funding, ATM machines, flight and hotel passes, and an array of financial marvels tailored just for you. Get ready to experience the VIP treatment. They understand that your financial journey is unique, and their solutions are crafted to fit your individual needs like a perfectly tailored suit. It's like having a personal financial superhero by your side. It's not just about numbers and transactions, it's about unlocking the full potential of your financial future and savoring the thrill of success. 700 Elevate, the financial marvel that is revolutionizing the industry. Their astounding success stories, comprehensive services, personalized approach, and immersive experiences set them apart from the rest. So, are you ready to embark on an extraordinary financial adventure with 700 Elevate? Say goodbye to ordinary and embrace the extraordinary. The time has come to unleash the superhero within you and take charge of your financial destiny. Thank you for joining us today. Don't let this opportunity slip away. Reach out to the experts at 700 Elevate and let them guide you on a remarkable journey toward financial greatness. Remember, with 700 Elevate, your financial dreams can become an epic reality. Prepare to be amazed, for 700 Elevate is here to elevate your financial world like never before. Get ready to soar to new heights with a financial marvel that is 700 Elevate.